Hello, welcome to Vigilant Online Workshop. This is Suraj Sawant. Today's topic would be Tor browser. See, Tor browser is nothing but the most secure way which makes you untraceable all the time. If you are going to be hack some PC, then just stay with Tor browser. So I would like to see you how to configure the Tor browser. First, just download the Tor browser. It is open source, so you can download it anytime. Then this is a explode file of Tor browser. Over here you have to start your browser. Just open this. Now one control panel will open and it will try to connect to your network, so that it will gather all the DNS records, MAC address, IP address of your original network, and it will give you a new identity. You can either use a new identity by your own by just configuring this icon. First, we like to start this Tor browser so that we'll come to know how does this look like, and we'll follow the Tor's network. See, the Tor is nothing but the way in which you can surf Onion browser. Onion browser is nothing but the way where you can see deep web. See, the only internet which we use is 4%, and there are 96% deep web is around there. See, this is our Tor browser. It looks similar to Firefox, somewhat like Firefox. Over here you can choose your language. I'll set English. Now my IP address appears to be this. This is my fake IP address. It is shown by this browser. It will set your IP address something like different, something like fake, so that you could not be traceable. So this is how you have to configure your browser. The next thing over here, Tor project and disable HTTPS everything. See, HTTPS is nothing but the secure connection where your HTTP connection goes through some tunneling points. So you just need to disable this HTTPS connection so that you could be able to see all those connections which are going through tunneling, somewhat like protected connections would be visible. Enable disable rules are nothing but some sites has set some rules for their connections. You can disable them and you can enable them from this side. So even though you are blacklisted or at that site, you could be able to download, or you could be able to serve that site too. In case of some surveys, you could be facing some problems while downloading something. They always ask you for some surveys. So at that time you can use this Tor browser so that it allows you to block that survey, and the downloadable file will be available to you very immediately. So these are the bundles. You have to keep your browser update all the time. Again, some JavaScript scripting is enabled. If you are a web development and you have good knowledge about web development, you should disable this. You should enable this, and you can disable this too. It depends on you and your topics. So that's all about Tor browser. Thank you.